How to see date and time of a text on iPhone. So all you have to do is to proceed here directly to your messages and choose the specific message or the specific chat that you wish to see the date and time. So for example, this one. So as you can see here, there is actually already a date and time, right? But the thing here is you can see the specific time of these messages here, but you cannot have it, or you cannot have an individual for the date. So what I mean is, for example, this one, it's a cluster for this Monday, July 2022 at 3:23 p.m. So as you can see here, it is actually in cluster or in grouped. So for example, for this day, you have received these messages or you had this conversation. If we scroll up again, as you can see here, for Sunday, we have this one, and last Sunday again, and then last Saturday, so on and so forth. But if you wish to know the specific time for those texts, all you have to do is to swipe right to left like this. So swipe right to left, and as you can see, you can now see the specific messages, the time for each messages sent for that date. And basically, that is the only way you can see the date and time of a text on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.